Hey, what's going on, guys? Silent Cypher here, and welcome to the channel's first ever playlist. Yes, Ash Gray, Pokemon Ash Gray. Yeah. Let's get right into it. Yeah, basically this channel is just gonna be, made up of Pokemon, gaming like this, and also, pack openings, so it's cool. It's cool. How glad to meet you. This is Oak. He's stoked to meet you. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I didn't read it. Probably should have said what he read. Yeah. So I didn't actually know about this at first, and my friend, he basically just said, oh crap. One sec. Let me just name him. Classic Ash. Ash Ketchup. Yes, mate, Ash Ketchup. Right. Start. Boom. So her name is Ash. Yeah. So my friend basically, started it. He'd been rifles since we were babies. What should we call him? Jack. My mate Jack. He's the one who actually introduced me to this. Oh, he's got a red face. He's got cancer. Oh, who's next? So Ash. Yeah, my friend recognized it. I was like, oh my god, it's just so cool. It's cool. And it was like, yeah, I don't understand what the sentence was. And I was like, yeah, me neither. So yeah, here I am now. Oh my god, we have pajamas. Guys, don't know this should be a potion. Yeah, there's a potion. There's a potion. So basically, this is about, if you've not watched the series, basically, 11 o'clock. You joking me? Yeah? God, I've not even got a bed. Look, I just what's that? How do I even sleep? I'm sleeping. Hey, Red Bulbasaur. It's a plant, man. It's a bulb on its back. It's sick. Oh, yeah, you squirrel. Yes, mate. Right. So then we've got Charmander. Yes, mate. Charmander. Oh, Ash woke up from his restless sleep. There's no time to sleep now. Oh, I'm in my pajamas. Yeah, basically it's the series. It's basically about the episodes. So it's about that. I'm just what part? Yes, we got out. Oh my god! Look at my house. It looks like a piece of poo, but it's okay. What's down here? I was hiding the flowers. Sniff. God's sake, where am I going? Why is it? You can barely walk on this path. Hello? John? Stephen? John? Stephen? Are you Stephen? No, you're Daisy. Oh, Jack. You like Jack Attack? Yeah, let's go. He's next door. Oh, Fat Man. Yes, mate. He's Milkman. Okay. Technology is... I know that. What do you think I'm using? I love this music. Oh, yes, Granny Smith. How's it going? My son Jack has already left on a Pokemon journey. Oh, that's not fair. I want my Pokemon. No. Oh, watch this. It's bird crap. Oh, it's bird crap. The birds are cracked on the walls. A rocky surface. No, it's a bird cracked on the wall. It's not a rocky surface. Wait, what's this? Hello? Oh, yes, mate. It's Windmill. Oh, it's Jack. Hey, how you going, mate? Snooze, you lose. Right behind it. Just all the Pokemon are gone. Oh. I wonder what we're gonna get. Hint. It's Pikachu. Yay. PikaPi. Oh my god, there's a Pidgeot. No, I want it. Sign up. Oh my god. Why? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. How does a seal not survive? How does a seal survive? Oh, I think there's a PikaPi. There's a PikaPi. There's a PikaPi. There's a Poliwrath. Why do I get a Pikachu when I can have a Poliwrath, a Pidgeot? Well, I mean, I don't mind a PikaPi. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it PikaPi. Let's go, mate. Oh, yes, mate. Joke. Sack Oak. He's called Joke. So, Ash, you decided to... Yeah, sometimes. Already. I should have read what he said. Yeah. Oh, I should be reading your dialogue, but... Oh, well. You're right, Bulbasaur. No, Bulbasaur. That one was taking my kid too late. Alright, calm down. Do I need to talk to him again? Oh, I'll just go from the side now. Oh yeah, squirt, yes, hey, mate. To squirrel. No, mate. He's gone. He's off. He's dashed out of here. Who has took these, man? Jesus Christ. What if Team Rocket's took him? I still get him. There's no one left. Given away to train to run time. What the so what? Who forgot? Oh, we did PikaPi. Who forgot to set the alarm? Who forgot to set my alarm? Pikachu's nickname, PikaPi. PikaPi. Let's go. PikaPi. Pika. Where's the P? PikaPi. Pika. You, I bet when I throw him out, you better have a 6-pack and muscles. I swear down. If you don't, I'm taking their balls away. Look at Pokedex, 5 Pokeballs. Yeah. Okay, if you can just do me a favour and just go back into, get a Pidgey, I don't complete your data. Why am I actually doing this? I've just met you. You just talked to me, and then you introduced me into town, and that's it. What's up here? I wonder what's on that computer. Alright, nothing. Right. Rightio. Oh, who's this? Is it his bird? It's Oak's mum. Yeah. I don't know how old Oak is, so don't mind me. Got Pikachu. Oh, there's the bird crap again. Forgot. No, Mom. No, I don't want. No, stop. No, I didn't crap on the wall. It was the birds. Oh, running shoes, yes, mate. So anyhow, I just can't walk at all. My legs are not functional, and then I get these sweet new crepes, and I can flip it. Oh, Pikachu, yes. Oh yeah, in the anime, he doesn't like going to his ball. Oh, he's in there again. Get him out. Oh, Ash changed from his pajamas into his travelling clothes. Oh yes. Oh, what's this? Oh my god! There's a pigeon! No! Hello? Pix, you run up a tree and feed barrel. You ran up the tree. Get down from there, PikaPi. You're being a bad P. You're being a bad P. You can't live without PikaPi. Pika. I can't. Pikachu. Oh, wild Spearow. P. Watch. This is the sound effect he makes. You ready? Pika! That's right. Let's go. Thundershock, but bro. No, that's not fair. Why did you... That was his knee. Stop heating. That was his knee. That was his knee. It's his favourite knee. That was Pikachu's favourite knee. What are you doing? Are you loafing around? Are you joking me? Are you actually just going to keep doing that until it... No, you're going to Thundershock... Wait, do it. No, stop. Pikachu... Thank you. I bet die. Die. Yeah, I thought so. Oh my god, what are them? Oh, I thought... Hello. I'm just on my... I was... Okay, no, stop. Hello. I'm a go. I'm out of here. I can't get out. I'm so dumb. What's in here? It's a mutate. No, it's not. It's a sparrow. Get away from me. Don't like you anymore. Whoop! Are you joking me? Come on, man. Just sparrows. I'll spear them to the ground. I'm just gonna run away. No. Pikachu can run with his little stubby legs. I'm joking, I love Pikachu. Oh look, there's a tree that can't break down. Hacked through. Are you kidding me? Yes. Oh my god! We can swim! Oh, it's Misty. Hello, how you doing, Ginger Nut? Yeah, Pikachu's hurt. That's my bike. Oh my god! Go! No! Sparrow, I'm so pallet. I can't feel like you catch me the thing can't get me. Pika! Yeah, Pikachu. There's the ho-oh. There's the ho-oh. Hello. Oh my god. Sorry about this, guys. My first video, so it's bad, but it cut out. So I'll talk to you about it in the next video, guys. Peace.